Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to troubleshoot sound or audio problems in the Windows 11. So let's begin. First of all, you can just check on the bottom right after clicking on the sound icon that if the volume from here is full. Most probably this wouldn't be a huge problem, but you can still check it from here. After this, what you can do is that you can just right click on the sound icon over here and then you can click on troubleshoot sound problems. This can sometimes fix your issues, so it is a better idea to try this. Now you can select the jack from which you are facing the issue. For me, I have no issues, so I'll just click on cancel and I'll move further. So for the second fix, you'll have to go to search and then type in device manager over here. Now you'll have to run device manager. Over here you'll have to go down and click on the small arrow beside sound, video and game controllers. Now you can select the device on which you are facing the issue. For example, if you are facing issue on your high definition audio device, you can just right click on it and then click on properties. Over here you'll have to go to driver and then you'll have to click on update driver over here. Now you'll have to click on the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and now you'll have to not edit this. You'll have to just click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you'll have to select high definition audio device and then you'll have to click on next. And now you'll have to click on yes again and then wait for it to install. As you can see, for me it's already installed and for me everything is working properly, so it didn't took a lot of time, but for you it may take some time, and this should most probably fix your problem. After this you can close everything and make sure to restart your computer and see if it solves the problem. So if it still didn't solve the problem, then you can again go to device manager and now you can just uninstall your device and see if that fixes the problem or not from here. So if that still doesn't work, now we have the last option, which is that, so you'll have to again go to the bottom right and click on the sound icon over here and then you'll have to click on sound settings. Over here you'll have to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. So as you can see, for me my headphones are the default device, but for example if you need your speakers to work and they are not as your default device, you can just right click on it and then you can set as default device from here. So now whatever device you are using from here, you can just select that device. For example, I select speakers and then you can click on properties, and now you'll have to go to the levels and see if this volume is turned over here to 100, and then you have to even check if your speakers are mute. By default they are not, but you can still check, it may have been done by mistake or something could have been happened, and just turn it to high and unmute this from here, and then you'll have to go to enhancements and then disable all enhancements from here. You have to check this box and then you'll have to click on apply from here. Most probably this should fix your problem. So for the last option, what you can do is that you can go to advanced and then you'll have to select the last option from here, which is this one, and then you'll have to just put this on the side, and this is your speaker and this is the sound bar of the speaker. You'll have to hit test and see if there's sound over here. So as you saw, there was volume for me, but if there's no volume for you, what you can do is that you can just select different options, and then you can just check it for each of them, and whichever works for you, you can just select that one. So for me, most of them work, so I'll just select the last one, and then you can click on apply and OK. So this should fix your problem, and if it did fix your problem, do tell me in the comment section. So these are some ways which could help you to troubleshoot your problems. If it helped you, do like and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.